So next I want to talk about meditation in a chair, right? It seems pretty straightforward, and it's something you can absolutely do in a chair. Now, first thing I'll tell you is that if you're able to get out of the chair and you're able to stand up, you might want to stand up once in a while if you're able to. Sometimes it's hard if you have trouble standing and you have lower back pain and things. I don't want you to do any standing meditations or anything. So that's why I want to talk to you about sitting meditation. And you don't want to overdo it because you're already in a chair. But what I want you to do when you're trying to relax is just put yourself in a mind state for at least a couple of minutes where you're deeply, deeply relaxed. And just for 2 minutes, 2 short minutes, I want you to relax. Relax your hands on your lap, and relax your whole body and breathe like I taught you earlier, where you're breathing in through your nose and it's circulating through all the cells in your body, and then you're relaxing, okay? Sit up in a dignified way and breathe in through the nose and let it go. Breathe in through your nose, fill all the cells of your whole body. Pretend they're all little balloons and they're expanding and they're shrinking. Breathe out. So you're breathing in beautiful, blue, happy light and letting it go. You're breathing in relaxation. You're breathing in this beautiful God-level energy, just breathing it all into your heart. You're breathing it in. And relax. Just for a few moments. Breathing in, and you can even coordinate it with your arms too, where you're opening and closing, relaxing. Opening and closing. Breathing in, filling your whole body with purity and good feeling, karma and energy and godliness and goodness and all the love in the world. Just fill it up. And relax. Breathe in through the nose. Allow your body to heal and relax. So just that short meditation is beautiful. And you'll see me rubbing my legs often too, and that's another great exercise too, especially warm-up exercise for sitting Qigong especially, or sitting Tai Chi, is massaging your legs. But do it with intention. So have energy in your hands and you're massaging the energy around your knees. Massaging the energy in your knees. You're massaging your arms, rub your arms, and you're moving qi. You're using what they call E, or intention. So you're using your heart and your soul and your spirit's intention to move and manipulate energy around your body. You can tap lightly with a fist perhaps, to get energy through your body. Wake up your knuckles by lightly tapping on them. But tapping is a wonderful wake me up exercise. It's like saying, hey, wake up, hello. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's like tenderizing meat, right? You're lightly tapping on the muscles in your body and you're actually stimulating nerve flow and blood flow, energy flow through your body. It's a wonderful exercise. You can lightly do it up on your chest, very, very gently, on your neck. Tapping exercises can be a great way to stimulate energy in your body. You're rubbing your hands together, breathing through your nose, and relaxing. And then even rubbing your face with warm hands. Pretend you're washing your hands with beautiful energy. Hold your hands on your face for a little and nurture. You're nurturing your energy. You're nurturing your face, your facial muscles. You're relaxing, you're relaxing. Nice deep breaths. And then a closing exercise. Whenever you're done practicing this stuff, I like to do a closing exercise where basically psychologically now, remember, mentally, spiritually, and physically, you're gathering up heaven's energy. Gracefully, I'm saying, oh, I love you, reaching up to heaven, and you're grabbing and pulling the energy down through your body, relax, you're pushing it through your whole body. Try to feel it. Try to feel gathering this beautiful blue light and putting it down through your core, and feel it penetrate your core into your muscles and just really, really refreshing your body. It's a closing exercise because we're bringing the energy in and washing our body with this beautiful energy. And we're spreading it out. Gathering, breathe in, and centering. Beautiful, beautiful closing exercise. So gathering the energy and bringing it down into your body, and then have a moment of gratitude or a moment of kindness, right? Where we put our hands on our heart and we're just relaxed. We just sit quietly and we have a moment of thinking of purity and happiness and gratitude and gracefulness and all the good stuff. Put that in your head, put it on your heart, and take a few deep breaths and relax. Breathe in and relax, and have a good, happy, smiley attitude about it when you're doing this. And it's a great way to close any session in any one of these exercises. And try to practice this as much as you can every single day.